In communism, all monkeys are treated the same, no matter how big, small, young, or old. Each monkey has a role to play. Some pick bananas, others clean the jungle, or take care of baby monkeys. But no matter the job, every monkey gets rewarded the same number of bananas, even if one picked 20 and another picked 2. No monkey should go hungry, and no monkey should be richer just because they were stronger or luckier. Equality for all. In communist jungle, no monkey owns anything by themselves, not the banana trees, not the land, not even the bananas they pick. Everything belongs to the group. The trees, the tools, the huts, they are all shared. That means if a monkey finds a tree full of bananas, he can't say, "This is mine," and take it all for himself. No private property. In monkey communism, no monkey is above the others. There are no bosses giving orders, no kings making decisions for everyone. Instead, the monkeys organize themselves and make choices as a group. Each monkey has the same role in deciding how the jungle works. No one has more power just because they are stronger or louder. The goal is to avoid unfair control and keep all monkeys the same. Equal power for every monkey. In communism society, every monkey has the same social class. There is no rich monkey or poor monkey in this jungle. Just a monkey. Every monkey work and get same reward. No more social classes. Monkey communism starts with a good idea. Equal bananas for all. But soon problems appear. Some monkeys notice they get the same reward even if they get lazy and do less work. So they stop trying. The hardworking monkeys get tired of picking bananas for everyone and stop. Motivation drop in the jungle and banana pile shrinks. Equal bananas, but unequal effort. Some clever bad monkeys take control of the organization of the work and distribution of bananas. They don't call themselves leaders, but they start keeping more bananas for themselves. Slowly, power returns, but in secret. The communist jungle ends up with new secret kings, even if other monkeys can't see it. When the monkeys realize the system is no longer fair, they rise up and take back the banana pile. The revolution begins. Because in communist jungle, everyone's equal, until someone starts going bananas. Please subscribe.